Ever wondered how that friendly green bank on the corner, TD Bank, actually makes its money? It's a question a lot of us probably haven't stopped to think about, but the inner workings of a financial institution like TD are surprisingly complex and fascinating. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the key ways TD Bank generates its revenue. Now, the most fundamental way any bank, including TD, makes money is through something you're likely very familiar with: interest. Think about it. When you deposit your money into a savings account, TD Bank doesn't just keep it in a vault. They use those deposits to lend money to other customers in the form of mortgages, car loans, personal loans, and credit cards. The interest they charge on these loans is higher than the interest they pay you on your deposits. That difference, the spread between the interest earned on loans and the interest paid on deposits, is a core profit driver for TD Bank. The sheer volume of loans they issue across their vast network translates into a significant stream of income. But lending isn't the only game in town. TD Bank also earns substantial revenue through fees. These come in various forms, some more noticeable than others. Think about overdraft fees if your account balance dips too low, ATM fees if you use a non-TD machine, and service fees for certain types of accounts or transactions. While individual fees might seem small, when multiplied by the millions of customers TD serves, they add up to a considerable portion of their earnings. Beyond these common fees, TD also charges fees for services like wire transfers, safe deposit box rentals, and other specialized banking services. Another significant area where TD Bank generates income is through its investment banking and capital markets divisions. This part of the bank helps corporations raise money through the issuance of stocks and bonds. They also advise companies on mergers and acquisitions, providing expertise and guidance for significant financial transactions. These services come with substantial fees and commissions, contributing significantly to TD's overall profitability. While you might not directly interact with these divisions as a retail customer, their activities play a crucial role in the bank's financial health. Furthermore, TD Bank has a significant presence in the wealth management sector. They offer services to individuals and families looking to grow and manage their investments. This includes financial planning, investment advice, and the management of investment portfolios. TD earns fees based on the assets they manage and the transactions they execute on behalf of their wealth management clients. As the assets under management grow, so does this revenue stream for the bank. Finally, it's important to remember that TD Bank operates in both Canada and the United States. This geographical diversification is a strategic move that allows them to tap into different economic conditions and customer bases. The regulatory environments and market dynamics in each country influence their operations and profitability, but having a strong presence in both markets provides a degree of stability and growth potential. So, from the interest earned on loans and the various fees they charge, to their investment banking activities and wealth management services, TD Bank has multiple revenue streams working in tandem. It's a complex ecosystem designed to generate profit while providing a wide range of financial services to millions of customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.